Dashboard. The dashboard serves as the hub for your unique profile within the NFHS Learning Center. On the dashboard, you can see your courses, download your certificates, and check your national credentials in progress. The dashboard is also where you can edit your account. The Courses area is where you can access your courses. Courses, under the Courses 4 bar at the top of the page, can be filtered by coaches, students, parents, administrators, officials, performing arts, and featured. Your most recently accessed course will always appear at the top. If you have not started the course, click on the Begin Course button. If you have made some progress or completed the course, the white button will read Complete Course or Review Course respectively. If your course only shows an Order Course button, it is inactive and no longer available to review, and you will need to reorder the course to access it. Under My Courses in the drop-down menu is Distribution Courses. If you've purchased courses in bulk, this is where you can send them and check on their progress. The final category in the My Courses area is My Staff. If you have a group of people who you'd like to send multiple courses to, you can create a staff and send courses in bulk to your group. This is a great tool for athletic directors and principals to manage sending courses all at one time and tracking course progress. The My Certificates tab is where you can find all of the completion certificates that are available for you to download. Clicking the blue download button will give you a PDF version of your certificate that you can print or save to your computer. The third tab on the dashboard menu is My Credentials. This is where you can track your progress in obtaining national coaching, parent, music, or speech and debate credentials. By selecting Show Requirements under each credential, you will see which courses you have completed and which ones you still need to complete to obtain the credential. Under Edit My Account on the dashboard, you can view, edit, and update your profile information. You can also request a name correction, update your password, and view your order history. Under My Badges, you can view which badges you have achieved by completing various courses. Below that, you can see the available badges that can still be obtained by completing other various milestones.